Hello everyone, you're welcome back to the channel Westside Creation, the home of creativity, DIY, unique designs and a whole lot of inspiration. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your various toning boards to create design on your fabrics. So I'm going to show you how you can use them to create designs. So I actually made this design on this t-shirts using my alphabet stone board. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using this board. So I want to make use of this right here. I want to make use of this design right here. So I need my stoning board. I'll use my stoning board. This is my stoning board. And I'll also make use of this speaker. So let's get started. So if you would like to get any of these stone boards, you can chat me up. My number is displayed in the description. So this one actually goes for 2,500 to 3,000 depending on your location. In Lagos you see it's 2,500, 3,000 depending on your location. So if you're outside Lagos and you actually want me to get this for you, so you can reach me through my number displayed in the description. Thank you. So you get your stone, place it in the needed portion, use your material to arrange it properly inside the hole, just like I'm doing now. So after arranging the board, I had 3 holes where the stone did not enter. So I'm going to use my picker to insert the stone. So I'm through with it. For this tutorial, I'm actually making this part. This is just what I need for the design. So after arranging the stone, you make use of your transfer sheet to remove the stone from the board. So you remove the stone from the board just like I'm doing now. Make sure it enters inside the sheet properly before you remove it. So this is the part where I remove it from the... So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel for more creative and useful content from Westside Creation. Thank you for watching.